Woohoo! Finally done. All started with an idea of PVC pipe. 1.5 inch PVC pipe cut into 3/4 inch wide pieces. It's 21 pieces on this side, 21 pieces on the other. Attached it to a piece of wood. Of course, I had to make a wood peak to attach the plexiglass to, so my birdies can go in, and it's going to limit the birds, the size of the bird that can get in there, eat food, stay dry, and you can watch them. This is awesome. So that naturally means one side has to open. So I made a way to open it. You gotta think outside the box. So it opens. Then I had some PVC or plexiglass, and I cut plexiglass and glued sides on and drilled holes in case water gets in there, which I'm hoping none does. But the sides here are to keep seed from going out that first row of holes. Yeah. So now the next thing is to see it in the wild, in action, with birds in it. I'm so happy. One of a kind. No one else will ever have one like this.